that lady and boom blog. A kind of video me. I saw one about Zion. And I also saw another video about, I think on that video, she was warning Ezugo. I think that video is for Ezugo. I think. Sometimes doing great. How is Italy? It's been a long time. A better Sunday, I see you. So on that video, that lady was kind of warning Ezugo. I guess in Ezugo corner one. On a boy, a small blogger, a little boy, yeah, something like that, a little boy. Say the JUS here. Oji buru ezemwai. Oji onyo buru. Last time, Oji woru page or woru comment. Auntie, I'm here to tell you that you can't do anything. You see you one boom blog. Onwe he game. See, I hate when all these people will come on Facebook. They will be kind of trying to, in a threat people on a haga baya on a hage benka, hage woru pitch or ge, haya make call, haya menka. I hate such people. Yes, as far as I'm concerned, every blogger, if you really don't know anymore on Facebook, you don't drag somebody in a way, either directly or indirectly. Like if all these bloggers, boy anything, Monday can feel how we follow us, so Monday can feel in ha life go. Na how they make this senior. How drag go people in a way or the other. So in a case whereby I can drag yagi small, a potane threaten no a little boy, CJ Johnny Hiala, Iji Borugi Madi, a Butegi Madi Hiala Johnson. Obum blog, you can't do anything. One queer. Oh, what did he get me? You want to hate on image mayor today. Abromu I don't like it, but I've all these nonsense powers. Ne threatening some people. Okay, ne threatening Ezugo. Kezugo kusi me live video. Or Kezugo kusi kuoku. Or Kezugo tobazia gojo. You know, I've been seeing a lot of things. Here I me like this in Aga Karubada. I know all of you. We all know where you belong. So I may begin wako. If you want to make a video to defend whoever you feel that you are on his own side, or you are feeling or your friend, you can do your video right. I'm not able to not threaten in power. Who are you? What are you able? Siga keje jo esege jekuda your dibia or da your pastor kejo ya ka ogwa go onye anti onwe ho onye ebo. Na me dey talk am obun blog. You no be anything. Hapocha na na ataka mame water. All those things no dey shake us. They we don't see about say anything. I saw the video, the thing was like pissing me off. Recently, I saw me in a video. I just name my write-up. I just feel like to do my write-up and do my thing. I focus because Monday they go to busy. But all weekend they can. But man, that video they piss him off. Kaju onebo. Iji menka. Go onebo. Ode kebo. Aja kebo. Onwe hebo. I expected the Ezugo. Oh, that video, Piawagazo, or blast your hell out of you. You see, I expected the Ezugo. Video na a little boy, KJ Juice, a gig. Oh, the video, like, already Uzogi to nothing. Oh, my own able. You need to chat much on Facebook, and Zuzu. Zuzu. Ana drag your das, on our two no talk. Putakuna na drag your das. Ona toku no to. But no we si kwaka yu no oku di agha unu ebunie siwanu ka ajuko onye Igbo I ga emekwe nka I ga eme nka. But you are doing it to others. Ona atokwa gi. Ubu one ki jide gi evangelist Ebuka Obi piawa ya as indirect way. Ijidako Zion. If you are in direct way, I have all those things. A lot of you. Some of you don't go straight, but don't they use indirect way. That's why somebody like me, whenever I want to do something, I do it straight. I brought my name like this. That's why if I want to do my thing, I do it straight up. That is what you guys are doing. What was the case? What can you know better? Una chanye iji gbuo mmadụ dere comment igbuo onye ahụ ebute gị ya n'ihi ala Johnson amakwa mo ihi ala ndị ihi ala unu ewekwere ma ọ bụrụ ihi ala ka ọkpụ. I just saw the video, I watched it, but the thing kind of pissing me off this morning. But I think you know ihi ala or something stand to be corrected. You know, keje jụọ ese gị iji bụrụ nke eji ha bụ nke onye ka ịbụ. Ọ nwere onye ịbụ. Na me they tell you auntie, onwe onye ịbụ and onwe ihe ị ga-eme. I don't have time for all this unnecessary saga. For me, I know like a one time even away see all those things. I want the important things to face. You know, if not, here most of you know here. All you can them game. So next time, if you want to address a kind of issue, or if you want to talk to your fellow blogger, don't threat him or her. You know, if you want to address any of your fellow blogger or whatever you feel, it would not threaten. Okay, let's say the only one he will comment here and page you and you will put it goes here. Can you add it to your life? Upon what can they use all these nonsense powers? I spent almost 12 years in the film industry. All those things can't call I moved around. Nigeria no say who. That's why sometimes I put on Facebook for one day. Nachi Hochi. Especially there I bear my comment in a day. You don't know me, you don't know when I started. Even behind Jana Wefu. If you know we hate that go. Never came madirugo. Or that's your dibia, or that yes and one or whoever. Only he ne feel in a threatening. You go there about that person in a threatening. Because sometimes it's not all about you. The person you are threatening, you are trying to. You know? So a boom blog. I believe this is my first time of mentioning you or addressing you on my page. Obum blog. Don't threaten anybody on this Facebook. Hapu Ogechi Ezugo Jpac, these three people have made their thing. If you want to make your own video, every blogger is making video to add on all this saga of a thing. If you want to do your own, you do it straight. I am not Jpac. You support to Jpac. As you go with friend to Ogechi, that pack I mean their thing. Anyone who feel me, I will do it. But don't come out to threaten anybody. No. At your old age, each and every one on Facebook. Be proud and mean, you know, in a civilized country like US. Look at what you are saying and you are proud. So on TV, like I said earlier, you cannot do anything. All those things will empty threat. You can't do more than a dead rat. You know, all of you have been doing this thing. If you want to contribute or if you want to side anybody, you side it direct. I'm not coming out. I start by addressing Ezugo as a little boy. And secondly, who are you? What a Igbo. Jpac here, Ogechi Njaka na Piawazu. Oh, Saga Keji Maria. I would not have one Jpac destroy Igbo, if I should put it that way. And I Saga. Hakanko. So kita utonia ya receive ya in full. Ya receive ya. Secondly, oh my whole game maker, all these things ka happen. But not hear me. Oh, the same one one jinjia. na-eji nji ya mee nka ya gba anụ saga na ọfụgo saga na-agba ọsọ. The next sense ịgawa n'ukwu isi wu nye ndị abụkịta 10 minutes ha kwọtuo ya ọ daa n'ala jebe a na-akọ bido isi aka na-akọrọ isi ihe m na-amaghọ oisi ka ọkwa the same Jpac anọ China si provide your own doctor and coming down to Nigeria. Provide your own doctor and coming back to Nigeria. That's what he told the Gechi Njaka. Obatazie Nigeria from China. Oburu kwuoisi. Ou kwuoisi wu Dr. Jpac. Ou kwuoisi wu Dr. nke Jpac. Ofidie na saga nke akare ya na asị ka na asị za na chi destroy ya. Provide your doctor. There are many ways to prove his innocence. Ana-emi ọ na-aga. Ofugo saga na ọ na-agba. The thing na-egbu ya. Ọ mana the thing na-agasara ihe. Kama ọ ya achọkọ esi ka stop all these things. All people like you nọ n'akụkụ na-asị ya don't gree. Fire on. Ekwena. Few days ago, actually, I saw all those things. Make a peace between them. Still people like you or Boom TV, BGM Jpac, not to go through those things. Onwe has Igbo friends, and you are among them. Na any bad advice. Okay, let's just say now, you omaba ni mo here, governor ne duaria. Okay, you know, ọkọcha ihe a na, ihe a ga-eme oge echi nja ka ọkwụsị ikwu okwu. Ka threatening nke gị nwa Boom TV ga-eme ezu go ọkwụsị ikwu okwu. All those things don't making any sense to me. You know, ofugo saga, ya mee saga. Obaba, ride on. Ara the gear on nisi. So some of you marry who name on this social media. Owo enye nke puta na page ya, o room foundation na makeup. O teju si everywhere. Ama mada makeup in it, on abagi na brain. Ko ine mi te ni vite na brain gi. I'm not getting all those things. A little boy, KJ Joe say give this one, that one. It's not making any sense to me. Jpac bawa war, off go war, ya bawa war. Ya one also, of course, na asị ka na asị nke a ji me nke me. Ya bawa war or hapuzie war ya gba. So let me assume that na Jpac see all the way from Lagos. By flight, worth more than at least 200 and something K. Down to Imo State. Ka ọjọọ so je gụọ isi. Biko ọ bụ na ihe a na-agwa m bụ eziokwu n'ọrụ m ọgụ ka ha nchata ọfụ ka ha ncha isi asị na isi a nọgụ 5,000 years ebe nwa n'ọnụ onwe ihe isi contribute onye ahụ ọkụ onye ọha mmiri nothing 5,000 years ọ gosi not the useless now. Ọ bụ na isi aha nọgụ 5,000 years wee na-akpa ike na-anụ ọ ga-eme everything onwe ihe o provide to that community isi a dị totally useless. You know, oya ka mmadụ si ọkwa ekwesịghị na-eme honeymoon. Sometimes I know people ọ bụghị ọgụ niile ka ị ga-anụ. Ona no ọ bụghị ọgụ niile ka mma anụ. And the one thing you make you, if we don't have anything to lose in life, ohe wo na mmadụ like mmadụ enweghị anything to lose at all. Ije ka gị na onye a na-amụ aka. Meanwhile, you know that you have a lot of things to lose. You have endorsement, you have businesses, you have you influence things to people. Ji nwayọ, may your thing. Oh no, can track all this thing from day one. You are the main problem. Because all those things getting fall out of favor. I expected you to move on and carry out and do other things. You know, every time ndị ụka eyuzuo gị audio billionaire ọ bụghị audio nke like until ahịa tugide ọ bakwute gị na emegharịwazie kịta ọzọ ije na ukwu isi na-enweghị isi na ọdụ na-akọsara isi ego isi ka ị bịasị all the way from Lagos be kọsara your problem. Some of you the shameless. And you don't have good advisors. You want his advisors. You buggy this year war. Jesse because I know isi. Na ngusi. Ko isi bia nuzieru gog. O isi bia gbaru gog. O isi bia gbazieru di saga. Kita oye go sinika agugo gina. I I feel his pains on that video. I feel his pains on that video. If you go say, okay, man, the thing, they chew you more like how they chew or I didn't show more. I was a quarter. Okay, when they go honeymoon, I'm what is that quarter? I'm what is that quarter? Can they cook honeymoon? Ebo kuno ya nisi. I don't even know why I'm laughing. This thing shouldn't be funny anyways. You know? Onye carry no na name enjoy honeymoon ya. Yes. Thank goodness wetin ya gara ofuma. And men se many tell ya. Iye be lie yalu may your thing. May enjoy. Kito onwezi ene kwoku honeymoon. Onwezi ene kwoku ka eme ihe kwesiri ime. No problem. From Edu Nana. Or whatever they may lie down, you can do it. This one, that one, that one. He says, some of you that we call him to order. Like, guy, Omo, what I don't pass Gary, you. Can say make a stop where here? It doesn't make him a fool. Because when we're allowed to lose. We no go, no, na, kuna, ne, ekwena, kwechiri, why, nka, ekwena. When he Kita na like ejide gia no rasa ogechi rasa gia. He says people like you we call him. Guys, stop all this thing. He may go in on America. And as soon can call Igbo, he will foundation, give a boom blog. Will foundation teta ni hu, tema na brain gi. Ine query. Ya carry ya all. Ya made this, ya made that. As he blame wa Zion. Zion being able to confusion. So I do know able to confusion and problem among all the bloggers from Southeast. You see now Zion. You see in a question. You guys should know how you are doing your thing, no? Because it's not making any sense to me. Jpac, I'm telling you now. Water don't pass Gary. Nke aga fego saga. Nke aga fego all these things. Iji no why epi onwe gi ka akwa. Amakwo mma Chinaza your wife o na enye dikwe gi one advice self. Epi onwe gi ka akwa. You make you say stop all these things. If for that peace talk he has 3 days ago, you make you say achikonatia because my man, okay, if you go isi ahụ, he can't do anything for you. If you isi ahụ, onwe ihe isi ahụ ga-arọrọ gị, na me dey tell you, hapụ nka power say a na-eji eme nka, gị mmadụ na-afọ na Nollywood, gịnị ka m ji aya ma na-afọ na Nollywood entertainment since 2011 to 2023. Ka ị ga-akọrọ m na like m ga-asị gị na m afụbeghị. All those rubbish, I don't want to say some certain things, sir. But I don't know on your page. Now see na igbugo mmadụ before CJ drew ese gị na ị ga-egbukwo onya no ihe emekwu ihe onwe ihe ị ga-eme na me dey talk am obum blog amakwa m nke mụ na gị na-azụ ofu afa sef onwe ihe ị ga-eme na me dey talk am you can't do anything. Putogo una na-ekwu rubbish na achọ view. Igbo channel is obvious now. Water don't pass Gary. Water don't pass Gary, my brother. Because he watch here in this Ghana. Like, he have to go from saga to reality. And the Imerenu Merana, you can't overshadow Okechi Njaka. Yama with Jpac. There is no way he can overshadow her. Also, Kuya Jebute voice, no stripper, Oji Menka. People are not interested in all those things because no one too much church. People are not interested. But all those things, Jpac, like he failed to understand that people are just interested in. You all know Gekuna will not add up. It won't. Like I said on this guy TV, Ogechi ji na akpa amu, oji si ike na akwa, ima akwa na abu ade na akpa amu, na akwa uji ya. Onwe ebe Jpac ji azu eje. Ona kujia na akpamu be. And the one CJ ha nwoke na akpamu, forget. Biko ko ya ayoge. Biko ko ga ayoge. All these things we hear, his friends, his manches, kwesiri na agwa. Forget all those things. Forget all those things. Fix things and move on in life. Oh, you be na eme ku na amaka ekibuptezie ya ka pia ya nka pia ya. Ngwa, bo akuzero the second one, he showed the way from Lagos. Beputo isi n'ime ohia. Bela kosoro isi mpage. Ekukwe na isi na iwe Christian. Iwe onye ụka, but no ihe a na-eme n'ụka mere iji dịza aga ụka, iji bọzi onye ụka. Hapụzi ụka ahụ wuru isi, nko isi ka ị bịa kwụrụ na-akọrọ ka o si dịrị gị. Na gị na nwaanyị na-agbawo eji si gị nka, ọ bụ na imego nka, ọ bụ na imego nka. What a fuck, man. It's not making any sense to me. So guy, ona no wekwe mu ni a na-eso okwu. Ndị ma mma onye mbụ. All this is I am on Facebook, or Facebook. Oh, mu ni a na-eso okwu. Almost mu no everybody know in contact. Yes, but we can hear esi gawazie like this. A man and one. Secondly, I don't have any problem with people's private life. Also, they are own na akpọ. I don't fucking have any problem with it. One thing you know is that there is no smoke without fire. And the secondly, in a church too much. You know? So there is no way you can win this fight as far as I'm concerned. There is no way, or they are possible. Also, they are on EG whatever from Ogechi. Also, when you be supposed to reach till next year 2025. People don't give a fuck. People don't give a fuck about whatever you post. So I did not want a chico maintain was a guy man. He can even see himself. Stop all this whole thing. Since after his wedding, no rest. Even people where no come. Even people where no come rest. Igbo channel, you know say na your guy. You guys should, know how to do your thing. And all of you did that Lagos. You guys should do your thing. The guy they like, he's getting out of hand. When you say na akuna, at least na tagodu nwunye ya wee ojide nwunye ọ tai ha sisi ata na mmadụ, those things. I don't care about people's life. I don't dwell on people's past life or whatever. But sometimes people don't get out here as you do your thing. For me, I carry a man over go don't get it. Name ko nwe ihe ọ na-afụ than ihe a no na-ezuzu. So let me stop here. It's been a long time I post video. I did all this video because I just enjoy doing my write-up and sit back and watch other things. But this obum blog, biaburu threatening no buru mado. With onye wana osi no eze nwa ama eze nwa ya ka dibia cause no wo kara mado kara mmụọ. Be ihe mere nje eme video. She can't do anything. I keep saying it. Onwere ihe oge eme. Onwere ihe obu. Si ya kwụsị pụta na threatening Ezugo or whoever. O mere that video too. Uncha ine wo I'm a content creator called blogger. I'm able to place many of you. So you do it. Adogi idie ya. Idokwa onye ọzọ he die ya. Sometimes people will ask me, can see I handle all this insult and I drop on my comment box and other things. I don't see it as anything. Because I know I'm not normal on my in a way. If I want to talk your matter, I go talk him. Tell you some certain things. Drag your papa join. I'm in a way. You can't like here. So when you try to throw those things back at me, I will try to accept it. Because now I am chanazo. So when you go on also, onya anabate oze ka onya ase gwa gi in a way he threatened na igegbu ya si ga jụ ese gi iji ndị dibia ka eze nwanyị wee gbuo onye ahụ akpọ dibia jụọ dibia onye ewu ka agbafuzie elu gị na It's not making any sense to me. That's why I don't have time. Can't now block where they commented there. You are free to write whatever you want to write. Before I block, go give una EG fake account. That cause nuisance on my page. That's the only way I will block. But as far as need your real identity, people will not that your stupidity. I don't have any problem with it. You can write whatever you want to write. As far as know your opinion, good. You deal with it. At one time, I may ask a block or I may ask a block. So I dog idea. It's better if you only one-on-one. Give me a good ezibo. No ezibo kamuke. That is if you carry all this social media Facebook team. Nisi. If only one-on-one, it's okay with you in a buria. My same name woru pitch onya or comment onya. Yes, and why you native doctor. A lady, a mother in that matter. Kebuolu give mother. And the Sahako. CCJ draw a burozonia butegini here at Johnson. Sound to be corrected. I'm asking more here like I mentioned the year. A buzonia butegini here at Johnson. CJ Juice. AJ Ajonye. Oh, neighbor. You can't do anything. When they come out now and then they spit all those rubbish. Let me stop here. This is morning. Come, I go the angel women to affair. And can't go there, you know. So I hope you guys are doing great. Donadis, I see you. What's up? Those that live by saga. You see those that live by saga. You watch a saga no why. If you saga na agba. If you on Facebook, you see no saga ke chori ji we bido. Don't worry. Okwa saga. E ga agbagide saga. I gbagide saga. If you hear me onwe gi. Onye kelo, I see you. Greetings. Kiluka Juliet, how you doing? Flank Wolabi, I also see you, bro. What's up? Donadis, how far now? It's been a while, bro. OGB Campus, I see you. What's up? Happy weekend. I used to tell people, as far as this Facebook is concerned, as far as this social media is concerned, only on a parege, barrier back. Emena kafugi ni wesibo money. People have to tell about humiliate you like psychologically, they mess it up emotionally. If you don't want a dog, don't have back. That is just the thing. You know? So mena na okay bia ka na eme or each other kwokwe you na eme ke gari kwoku. I'm the reason why some things in eme since I told me to you there. Because some you there like him ko ya consider another word. A lot of things may go on. Mo ga say onye ministry na sponsor onya this one down. I may hear him there. As I dey like this, every move I drop me on WhatsApp. Every only feeling on the email is here online. And me with everything on WhatsApp. Straight up. If you go no care or guy, he may delete ye. Or you go to grab ya. And that one again ya woku hana people a burials. You know that some for all those things sometimes. I just let it go. If not, ka. Oh me, why am I can't mono me? Can be against the IBA by net threaten nobody. So nobody should threaten anybody. Chineke apo onya hoko. MC Airuya is another belly face. You know, say MC matter will be online something. Because if you can't do them online now, you go bring some, so now offline something. So we don't want to go into that. Now offline something. But anything that has to do with Sabo is what somebody like me, let me just use myself as a case study. I can't deal with it. If you want to me like this, each other gas straight, oh hey ga una. So like I'm around that, but that is by the way. Let me stop here.